Thank you for joining us for Targetti enLIGHTen. This video segment demonstration is on Duralamp in the Duraflex Optics product. The Duraflex Optics product is an energy-efficient, bendable LED strip with independent LED optics and a fully extruded silicone jacket for continuous wall grays or asymmetrical illumination in a linear source. It is IP66 rated for use in both indoor and outdoor applications. It is manufacturer assembled to project-specific lengths with factory-attached impreps. Each imprep contains UV-cured epoxy for complete a watertight seal. This product series is available in two optical distributions, both a wall graze with a 30-degree optic and a wall wash with a 120 by 60 degree optic. Both are available at 6 watts per linear foot in 27, 3, 35, and 4,000 degrees Kelvin, and have a two-step mechanoellipse binning. In the wall graze version, this is available at 451 delivered lumens in the 3000K version. And in the wall wash, this is available as 688 delivered lumens in the 3000K version. This product is under 1 inch in width at a 0.91 inch width and has a cut spacing distance of 6.56 increments. Here. This product features a molded 2-pin factory-attached imprep with male connector and a female connector to bare wire lead cable. There are several mounting options available with this series. For applications where the product is concealed from direct view, this should be used with either clips or an optional aluminum open U profile for continuous straight illumination. For applications where the product is direct view, there are optional profiles where the product can be regressed inside the profile with a frosted lens on the outside. I would now like to demonstrate the optical qualities of this fixture series using the wall graze fixture and a decorative textured panel at set distances between 1 and 5 inches from your decorative panel and furthest mounting point. This fixture is currently set at a 1 inch mounting distance from your decorative panel. A 2 inch distance, a 3 inch distance, a 4 inch distance, and lastly, a 5 inch distance. It is not recommended to mount this fixture further than 5 inches distance from your decorative facade to ensure a wall graze textured effect. I would now like to demonstrate the wall wash fixture optic using a flat matte white panel with set mounting distances between 3 and 12 inches. This fixture is currently set at a 3 inch mounting distance. Now set at a 6 inch mounting distance, a 9 inch mounting distance, and lastly, a 12 inch mounting distance. As you can see, it is for use within that 3 to 12 inch mounting segmented series, but has best performance between 6 and 9 inches for complete wall wash uniformity. We hope you have found this product demonstration helpful. Please be sure to visit us at targetti.us for the latest information. Ciao!